Hi guys. Gosh, it's been a long time since I've done a video. I wanted to do a very exciting unboxing with you so that I could share this moment with you. First, I'm going to open it up and then I'll tell you about what it is. And if you have questions, feel free to comment and I'll try to go back afterwards and answer as many questions as you can. This is not what you would expect me to be unboxing, unless you've been helping with my surveys. So here we go. Ready? Oh my gosh. I feel like this is a very big turning point for me, guys. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, can you see inside here? I don't know if you can quite tell. I'll crack them open here in a sec. I'll just give you a quick peek. A couple of them. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, let's see. These are factory samples. So these are from the factory for us to check and see that everything looks good before we go to full production. So let's see, I'll open one of each thing so we can take a look together. So I wanted to talk more, but this is actually really noisy. Ooh, bubble wrap too. That's a good bonus, right? You can never have too much bubble wrap. Is it just me? All right. And oh my gosh, they're beautiful. If you helped with the surveys, giving feedback on packaging for these, thank you very much, firstly, because it helped make a big difference. But then you probably have an idea of what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look. There I am. Holy smokes. This is crazy. They're so pretty. Okay. All right. Two more things and then I'll tell you about what they are. Oh, I'm shaking. So ridiculous. I don't ever want this sort of thing to just feel normal and not exciting. I love that it still makes me nervous and gives me butterflies in my stomach. I hope that never goes away. Okay, here we go. So, this past year, you might have noticed I've been a little bit distracted, and it's because I partnered with Amber Pavey, who is, she's an amazing mindfulness coach that works out of Calgary, and a toy company called Ambassador Toys. And we've actually created our own line of products that's called Mindful Living. So the idea is that we wanted to find a way that we could actually make a positive difference in the world and help to educate and support people of all ages, so kids and adults, with more than just coloring, which I love that I've been able to do that a lot with my coloring products, but this kind of helps to take it a step further and hopefully we'll be able to reach more people. So we've created together the Mindfulness Living line, which has educational aspects to it as well. So it helps to teach you about like tools to help you reduce stress and relieve anxiety and to be more positive and all that kind of good stuff. So what we've created is we made two kids puzzles. So here's a kids puzzle. This one is called Imagine Like a Unicorn. So it walks you through a really cool, can you see it? It walks you through like a step-by-step written like active imagination. It's sort of, I don't know, you'll have to see. It's an educational thing that you can read through that'll help you imagine like a unicorn and flow like a turtle. So it comes in these cool little boxes. Isn't that cool? The little clasp. But the puzzle itself is rectangular. Okay. And then this is, so these ones, we made two adult ones as well. So this is Balance and this is Breathe. And they're actually round puzzles in the square case. So, woo! And then we made 2 card games. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open these. So this one is Affirmation Friends. So it teaches you about daily affirmations. Can you see that? And then this one is Mindfulness Friends. And this was my idea for the mix and match thing. You might recognize some of these characters from the cubes that I made for the free printables, where you can roll the cubes and then put them together to create your animal. Well, now we made it into an actual mindfulness game to hopefully help you reduce stress. So that's what we made. 4 products, 2 puzzles for adults, 2 puzzles for kids, and 2 card sets, which I think will be awesome in classrooms, actually. Yeah, should we take a look inside? So these are just the factory samples. They've sent this to Amber and I so that we can take a look and make sure everything looks perfect. And we can make any last minute changes that we want to now before it goes to full production. And then they'll be printed by the thousands, tens of thousands. Ugh. Okay, this is cool. Let's see. The lid comes off like that. Oh, the box looks awesome. Oh man. So this is not my usual style, is it? So there's all these cards. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll just give you a quick peek for now. And then on the back, so for example, let's pick one that we love. Oh my goodness, I'm so warm. It's a bit of a heat wave right now. It's kind of ridiculous. So for example, if we pick I am loved, and then we flip it over and it says, I am loved. I can feel love in my whole body. It starts in my heart and then ripples out everywhere. See? So it gives you something to read to take it to the next level. Just pretty nice. So there's a whole bunch of these. Okay. And then this one, which makes me laugh because it's awesome. Okay. So this can be used as a mix and match game like this, but it also has an educational part to it too, the actual activity. So, oh my gosh, they're huge. This is awesome. Okay, cool. Okay, so there's a bunch of these guys, bunch of characters. There's the unicorn. And there's activities on the back. So for example, if we grab, I don't know, here's a dinosaur bum. What else? We need a head. Okay. Robot. Okay, so for example, resilient like a robot and deserving as a dinosaur. What? So if we pull a green one and a blue one, flip them over, this is our character for the day. And then those are our affirmations, our daily affirmations. And then there actually are further activities you can do. You could do one in the morning, one in the evening, or just pick one, whatever you want. I think these will be fun for classrooms. But really, you could do it with your kids in the morning, or, you know, big kids. I think grown-ups could do them too. I think it'll be helpful for everyone. Anyway, so now I need to go through all of these with a fine-tooth comb and tell them what we want, if we want any last-minute changes made. And then it will go to the lab for testing, actually. So they'll test them to make sure that they're safe for kids, which is pretty cool. And then, oh, this is neat. Oh, look at that. And then they'll go into full production. So if you have any questions, thanks guys. I'm looking at your comments. So I see you're asking where you can buy them. And right now, I don't know. I really don't know where you can buy them, because this is a little different for me. Because I'm making these with Ambassador Toys, this is, they're taking care of all of the manufacturing and the sales and the distribution and stuff. And what they do is they typically work with the really big toy stores and the big brands. And they have meetings almost a year in advance where the buyers decide what they're going to take on. And so we missed a lot of those deadlines this year. So we're more or less shooting for 2022. There might still be some that will take some of the products on for this fall, but I'm not sure who yet, so fingers and toes crossed. They're probably going to start with 1 or 2 items, and then if they sell well enough, then they'll start to take on more of our product line. So once they do hit the stores, anything that you guys can do to help spread the word, to help tell all your friends about it, to put reviews online, whatever it takes to tell these stores that these things are awesome and that they should take more of our line or they should sell more of our stuff, that would be an enormous help, even if it's just posting on Facebook or popping a review on their website or whatever it is. So as soon as I know where they're going, I will let you guys know. And if you are willing to help with any kind of anything, that would be just a huge help. I would really appreciate it. I have so enjoyed this process of working with these guys. I can't even express. Ambassador Toys, the owner and their team, they have an enormous heart for kids and for helping people. And they took this line on, even though it's really new and different. They wanted to make this, and they brought Amber and I on to help bring this to life. So to be able to help them make this successful, and the more that we can sell and the more successful it can be, the more we'll be able to make. And I really want to keep working with these guys, and I so love this, and I love that we're making something that actually is good, right? We're trying to do good through the products. So yeah, I hope we can keep doing it. Anyway, I feel like I've been talking for a long time. I really want to dive in and see these a little bit more, check them out, see what we need to change. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Should we do a little flip through here? A few more of them and see what we can see. This was such a fun challenge to figure out the style. I am a gift. I am capable. I am brave. I am peaceful. I am smart. I want to make adult versions of these. I think that would be awesome. I am a problem solver. I am creative. I am safe. And see the little guys, they're all superheroes, because it's like these affirmations are their superpowers. And then every one you'll see has a little bird in there somewhere too. Did you notice that? I am relaxed. There's my Canadian shout out. Moose. I am wise. I am kind. I am thankful. Oh, anyone recognize this? That's my son's stuffy. His favorite one. It's in all of my Seek and Finds, the big posters that I make. He sneaks into all of them. I am grateful. I am a good friend. I am generous. I am learning. I am enough. I like that one a lot. I am whole. That's also a good one. I am talented. Man, these were fun to make. I am calm. I am heartful. Where did I start? Uh-oh. I am imaginative. I am unique. And then there's the instructions. So anyway, I can't wait to share these with you guys. Of course, there's more on the backs of the cards too. It's been a long haul, so that's what I've been up to for over half a year now, and I hope to be able to make many, many more of these. We'll see how it goes. It's been quite the journey. I have posted some of it, some of my journey on my website, artwithcrystal.com. There's a section called Artist Life. It's kind of my blog where I've been writing some updates. It's hard because there's only been so much that I've been allowed to say up until this point, but you can see some of it there, and I'll add more later once I'm allowed to, I guess. So anyway, thank you for joining me on this journey. If you would like to join my group to help actually do the reviews and offer feedback for the other packaging that we'll be creating, please shoot me a private message and I'll add you to the list. It's so helpful to have feedback, and it's so fun to be able to show you sneak peeks before I can show these things publicly. These things plus the stuff that I'll be making, of course, for Art with Crystals. So more coloring stuff, hopefully more books and the usual stuff that you'd expect from me. But anyway, thank you. I'll stop talking now. But have a great day. Don't get too hot out there. Holy smokes, it's hot here. Cool. Thanks, guys.